Hey there, Matt here again. Another common question I get asked, especially from people not familiar with towing, is how should everything be hooked up to the car? Well, you can see this is one of our XL food trailers. We put dual axles on them today, these days, just so it actually balances out nice and it gives it a better carrying capacity. And you'll see that when it's hooked up to the car, it's nice, it's sitting nice and even. It's not pushing the back of the car down or anything like that. We're very, very careful to balance things out correctly. Now, it does have a mechanical handbrake and mechanical brakes on the trailer. So how it works, if you're not familiar, basically there's a little lever here that you can pull up, and so when the trailer slows down, the trailer will push and apply its own brakes, okay? So it takes the pressure off your car, okay? And makes it really, really, really simple. You'll see it's got all the gas work and everything hooked up. So it's basically a ready to go trailer, and this has just been taken for registration. It's got safety chains, pretty much everything, they're good to go. So that's how a actual food trailer should be hooked up to your car correctly.